First things first, you want to set up your phone with really good lighting. So as you can see, we put a lamp in front or behind the phone. Second thing is we want to make sure that there's nothing in the background. It looks more professional if you have a white wall, a white curtain, something that doesn't have too many things on it.
That you do.
So once you get your phone on, you're going to click on the Smule app. And this is what your main screen should look like. Click Profile. And here you will see the past songs that Kodesh Denver Choir has already done. You will see Good Good Father already started for you. What you're going to do is click Join. And Smule creates the parts for you, but we're going to create our own part. So click Create My Own Part. And then the song should start up in a bit. If you're not ready yet, it gives you time before you click start. You will not be able to record your song unless you have headphones attached to your phone. If the headphones are attached, let's say at the bottom of your phone, and it can't stand up properly, you will have to hold up the phone the entire time. Like as we said, we want the song to be eye level with a white background. This is not a good angle. Just make sure everything is eye level. So this is what it has to look like. If you have to hold up the phone for the entire time, you can also rest your hand on something such as this if your hand is getting tired. Word of mouth, it gives you edits to be able to choose from. Do not touch the edits. We have already set default settings to these edits, and we do not want anyone to change them. Okay, so when you're ready, click Start. The song is playing in your ear. The instrumental will be playing in your ear. And you will see the other people that have already sang their song on the bottom corner. So you can sing along with them. I have sent a document of who will be singing which parts. So as the song is playing, just smile and sway.
Good Father, it's who you are.
Then you can start singing your part.
It's who you are, and I'm loved by you.
Even when your part is over, the chorus is over, you still have to continue smiling and swaying because the camera will still show you even when you're not singing. Do this for the rest of the duration of the song until it's time for you to sing again. After you've finished recording your song, this is what your screen will look like.
Hopefully you're smiling.
You'll be able to play back what you sound like before you submit it. So you'll be able to hear other people's voices plus yours to make sure they both all sound nice together. You're a good, good father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are. You may notice that your voice maybe isn't loud enough or is too loud. You can click the volume button and adjust. But I suggest everyone keep the volume at the same pace. Make sure the filter for your voice is on polish. And then the filter for your face is none. Classic. Well, that one is already selected for you.
This is for people that have wireless headphones. Sometimes your voice and the music may not match.
If you realize that you're singing ahead of the beat, a little bit too fast, you can adjust it. So just make sure you're listening to your part so that you can adjust it accordingly so everyone's part matches. Once you click continue, it says yay. You cannot go back ever again. This means, and this is really important, this means that whoever has filmed their parts even before you, and let's say you messed up your part and you accidentally click continue. Every single person that has done their part before you have done your part will also have to redo it. When you're done, you can click done. And what we'll say is your video is uploading And then it will let you know that your video has been uploaded when it's ready.
So video posted, check mark, and it'll tell you how many people have done it. You can go ahead and click on the video.
You can now share the video and send the link to WhatsApp, so the next person that goes and does their song knows that you're already done. So click share, send it.